Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the temperatures unit in the British Airways application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see three lines. Press on it. And in this page you can just scroll down a little bit and you will find there the settings as the last option. Just press on it. And you can see here the temperatures unit being the second option. You can just click on it, and as you can see you can either have it on Celsius or Fahrenheit. Now of course it also depends where you live exactly, because here in Europe we use a Celsius and maybe in America the Fahrenheit is more widespread. I'm not sure about it. The thing is, here is you can change it if you would like it, and it's just a single touch. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.